Hey guys, this is Sandy123 and welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and comment and keep supporting my channel. It helps me a lot. Today I'm going to be reacting to my favorite women को cute and crackhead moments Army Safe Heaven. Okay, this is by Army Safe Heaven. The link is in the description, so you should go and check this out. Let's start the reaction to this one without further ado. Women are really chaotic together. So enjoy yourself. Ramjit is like, and why? Even just he had that inner intrusive thought to do that. They're hitting each other. No, you move, you move. That's the thing. Taeyang from the back pokes him again. Meanwhile, Ramjan. This is genuine expression. Jayshe. The way they both are lying down. That is hilarious. That is so hilarious. Man, they are literally sliding and crawling towards him. Look at their expression. What are they doing? They have to take Sugar's picture. Red light, green light. Lily. He got it. And Jin has done the petty thing here of getting revenge immediately, not waiting it to get cold. And I'm with him for this. He literally stopped Liam so that he can get caught. I made a short about this. Yeah. That is such a hilarious moment. I can't stop this really. He blocked him through his head, throwing that on top of each other. That is so sibling coded, I can't. And the betrayal to Jimin. And they're so proud of it. Ultimate betrayal. They're so happy after doing this. The high five speaks for itself. The claps, everything. Yeah. They are wrong. Obviously, it goes. He's the wrong answer, and but like again, hurry. No, it came wrong. Go again. Okay, already. What is this? Getting ready for this? No. He waited. The way it went on directly on his face, the wind attack. That's true, yeah. Jimin with the tricks. That is so cool. They do it with the mics and the sticks now. He hit him. Meanwhile, I was talking on that on his face. Explain the rules and they are hugging each other. The transformation, the formation of one over another, like V is teaching. That is so impossible. So oh, they hit. All of them hit each other, like on a chain reaction. Jimin hit Jungkook and Jungkook hit Taeyang. They don't even know Taeyang is hurt. You know the spots are important. Bonus footage. I can reduce a sentence if you dance. Dance better. In my prime, really, this episode was hilarious. I will start laughing. Okay. Super focused. Oh, yeah. Every beat, his body moves. That too. That is Jin. But okay. Detective Jian. You know it. Okay. He does that move. I know. Jungkook himself is embarrassed. What is this? He's going to do that move. If you cut the music, it's awkward for me, okay? They waited. They stopped the music, okay? Now I understand. Oh, what is happening? I knew it. I knew this was gonna happen. Now he immediately won after that. So, yeah. Okay. 3 ties. Now what? After a long time. How do you feel?
어디서 모기 소리가 들리는데?
Who is the mosquito here? Huh? He went straight on his face.
오랜만에 레드불 콘서트 하잖아요.
Yeah, it's not your turn. It's not your turn. And he kicks him repeatedly. Okay.
자, 가자.
And he does something different. I know, I remember this. Everybody was so frustrated with him. Yeah. Him being unique is not helping in this game. They had to hit him so many times. Yeah.
자, 제로 끝나는 단어를 말하시오.
Okay.
먼저 말했습니다. 삼재,
Okay.
화재,
Correct.
호재. 정답.
Two in rows. Yeah. Fire. Yo. He gave him a high five. He's in the different team. Okay, yeah. They tried to sell gin in this episode, maybe. Is this the same episode? I don't know. Them doing this in supermarket is insane. Oh my god, the chaos. The hats are really getting to me, okay. Taeyang, no. Okay. Okay, that was not a dance, that was a move. Jimin is the victim. Go to the cell. You go to the cell. You also go to the cell. They are not letting you go. That was all for none. Zilch. I'm here. Keep dancing with no music. Taeyang. They did say it was awkward, but he hit him also, okay. He's watching them dance. Really? I didn't remember this. Oh my god. Okay. This twirl. Everything, man. Is this the end? Okay, run BTS. Hit. Clap. Jimin, they are just tickling him. Jimin, stop calling me Jimin. They're just putting cold hand inside his coat. That is such a younger sibling behavior, man. Just put cold hands inside. Okay, this was hilarious. Even he couldn't stop. Taeyang, who was watching this live again.
아니 오라고 빨리.
Yeah, here we go.
시작.
So hardy. Taeyang started laughing. He's right there. He's right behind.
아니 난.
Okay. He started laughing himself again. Look at Jimin's expression. I cannot. Jimin was watching all of this. And he's not the part of the game. He himself was away. Like nobody still started laughing. Okay. What is this dance, man? Tread if you can. Not to try to hit each other. They're saving each other. Or is it trying to hit each other? I don't know. Yeah. I cannot. This is women coded. This is so. They do that to Taeyang also, but they didn't show it. Okay. The way he tripped. he got kicked. Oh my god. They've actually, yeah, I thought he was holding up. But I couldn't see it later. Oh my god. These three just, if they are together, then you are having chaos. Yeah. Literally pushing him away from the camera and hitting him while he's talking. Look at his smile. It's not going away. And no matter what you do, I will do this. With a fist. Will it hurt? Oh, what is this? Okay. This moment was so cool because both of them had the same thing in rock paper scissors like 3 or 2 times. Oh, the bag is like, understand? Come on, start it. The result is the same. Oh, they did it like 3 times before this happened, okay? Jimmy Beans. Oh, he's crying.
얘네 이거 뻔해 야 가라 친구잖아.
아이, 하나.
Music is on, leave. Immediately. He has to make that dominoes now because he is the loser. Just go away. He stays, I think he stays and helps. I think. They're so mean to him. He did stay a little bit. V is warming up. The way Jungkook is just.
Come on, let's go.
The voice here. No.
가자.
Let's go, V.
가자 태양아.
It was cold, but they still stood there. Jungkook is all wet from the head to toe. Oh my god. It is salty. They're like, it's okay, pat. Second splash. Why are they doing this to themselves? This one is good. See, even Jungkook and Jimin they stayed for a little bit. Yeah, they tried to help. They're so sweet. And BTS.
아, 네, 오늘 달려라 방송 정말 해가 지기 전에 받아서 정말 좋았어요.
Oh. The look he gave Taeyang is like, you are gonna get it.
진짜 불안.
야 근데
Yeah, right. Thank us. Yeah, you should. Let's go.
Trust me.
Go.
우리 서로 믿어야만 돼 잊지 마 고맙단 그 뻔한 말보단
All of it has to fall. It's like that maybe. Really, thank you for watching Run BTS. We are leaving. Yeah, they left after this. No. Bye. He did, I think, rock, paper, scissors with the cameraman or something and left after that. You can fix it yourself now. They waited so long though. Love you, bye. Unbelievable. He went in and he hit him, obviously. They were making a video out of him. But they were photographing, okay. And they started dancing the same choreo and making him laugh. The Wiggles man. What are they doing? Okay. He actually said it, yeah. Yeah. The best thing ever. It was like, yeah. Again. Again, yeah. Again, they do it again, seriously. How many times? No, they didn't do it after this, just to mess with children. Jungkook is just laughing. That was so hilarious, and I really love the compilation. So if you like my reaction to this one, please click on like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments or suggestions, you can put it on the comment section.